Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how you can make these fabric butterflies. These can be used on your scrunchies, headbands, hair clips, kurtis, baby frocks, etc. Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Now let's get started. For this, I have taken two circular pieces of fabric of different size. One is around 4.5 inches in diameter and the other is around 3.5 inches in diameter. You can use the same sized circular fabric as well. Next, I am going to fold it in half with its right sides facing each other like this. Now I am going to give a stitch on the open edges such that at the center I am going to leave around 1 inch space unstitched. Now it's done. Now through this space I am going to turn the right side of the fabric outwards. Now I am going to push the raw edges inside like this and give a top stitch for both the pieces. Now it's done. Now I am going to place the bigger piece on the top and the smaller piece at the bottom like this before joining them. Next, I am going to make small pleats at the center like this. And to hold the pleats together, I am going to give 2-3 stitches using needle and thread. I am going to do the same thing for the bottom piece as well. Now I am going to join them together by giving 2-3 stitches at the center like this. Lastly, I'll secure it with a knot. And our fabric butterfly is now ready. I'm going to use this fabric butterfly on a scrunchie that I made using the same fabric. I'll stitch them together using needle and thread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.